Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by laying the foundation. Open a new Figma file and create a frame matching your target device. Once done, define text styles, H1 for questions, body for answers, so everything scales consistently. You also set color tokens and spacing now to avoid rework later. Next, create a simple grid or column layout to position Q and A blocks. This first step speeds later edits and keeps your FAQ consistent across pages, which saves time when you iterate or hand off the file. Now you build components. Craft a question block using auto layout and include an interactive chevron icon. Then make a component variant for the answer, hidden by default so you can toggle visibility without duplicating layout. Once created, use instances across the frame and wire up overrides for unique text. Make sure to set constraints and resizing rules so the FAQ adapts to different frame sizes. This approach reduces manual edits and ensures every FAQ entry behaves the same when you update styles or spacing. Finish by prototyping. Link the question component to toggle the answer variant on click so you can test the reveal interaction. Once you prototype, preview across breakpoints and verify text wraps and truncation. Make sure no content overflows. If something breaks, check auto layout padding and component constraints first. Fixing those usually resolves layout issues. Finally, prepare export slices and a short handoff note describing variants and usage, so developers or teammates can implement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.